Hey everyone, this is Bob Bird again. You caught me in an attic, but I'm not alone today. And this is not a site visit. We're actually performing some improvements for a homeowner. We're using our spray foam to seal boots and miscellaneous sealing up here. So I'll flip this phone around, let you see Christopher at his finest. Take a look. I know what you're thinking. You're like, wait a minute, is that spray foam insulation on the attic floor? And yes, it is. This particular homeowner bought the house with this already performed on it, and as a result, it's had other trades in here over the years and punching holes all in it. So we were employed to come in and reseal the envelope on this, touch it all up, and that's how I rolled. You can see here there was a huge trace right there, Christopher's feet, and you can see our fresh foam here, and this was a big chase and was all exposed. Now he's going over to the other side of the attic, and he'll be touching up areas there as well.
You'll see on that boot I used gun foam. The hole in that boot was massive. I didn't
Yeah.
use this
Hey, we got one right there.
because it'd shoot me on that.
See it right here?
I see it.
Like fishing, isn't it? Oh, there's one. It's just 119 up here. I checked it before we got started. We should get down before it hits 140. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Seal it up. No more cold air blowing out in the attic. Even these big gaps all around the stair cozy. All that's getting resolved today. Stop air conditioning your attic. There you go, son.